Okay. Hello students. Students, how are you? I hope you all fine and safe. So students, as you know, this is your GK class, and before we start our class, I will show you a video of a poem. You will recite this poem with actions. Okay. This poem is related to your body parts, and as you know that in our previous Zoom class, GK Zoom class, we did two poems related to body parts, and the topic of our GK subject is body basics. Okay, so that's why I am showing you this video of poem. You will learn this video so that you can easily learn the body parts. Okay, so let's see. Okay students, let's see this poem and learn this poem.
Two little ears to help you hear, two little eyes that help you see, one little mouth that makes you say, two chubby cheeks for you to play, two little eyebrows that make you frown, one little head to calm you down. Two tiny lips and white teeth, one little nose to help you breathe, one wiggly tongue that helps you taste, two little eyelids that blink in haste, two little elbows, two little knees, two long legs that look like trees. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two tiny feet to tap, tap, tap. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and get them close. These are the parts of the body you see. Let's do it once again for baby and me. Two little ears to help you hear, two little eyes that help you see, one little mouth that makes you say, two chubby cheeks for you to play, two little eyebrows that make you frown, one little head to calm you down. Two tiny lips and white teeth, one little nose to help you breathe, one wiggly tongue that helps you taste, two little eyelids that blink in haste, two little elbows, two little knees, two long legs that look like trees. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two tiny feet to tap, tap, tap. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and get them close. These are the parts of the body you see. Let's do it once again for baby and me.
So students, as you see the poem, okay, जैसा कि आपने poem देखा, okay, poem, and you have to learn this poem. Okay, now I will explain you each and every body part with the actions. Okay, so first is, what is this? You tell me, what is this? This is head. This is head. And what is this? What is this, students? This is forehead. This is forehead. Two eyes to, how these eyes help us? Two eyes help us to see. Two eyes help us to see. And one little nose. One little nose. How this nose help us? This nose help us to breathe. Like this. We can breathe with this nose. We can smell either the bad smell or good smell. Okay, so fragrance means, good smell means fragrance. Okay, so this nose help us to breathe. Okay, lips, lips, two lips, two lips, or you can say one mouth, one mouth. Mouth help us to speak, mouth help us to speak. Teeth, teeth, teeth help us to drink, teeth help us to chewing. Tongue, tongue, tongue help us to taste. Either it's bitter, it's sweet, it's sour. Okay, टंग हमारी हेल्प करती है टेस्ट लेने में. कड़वा टेस्ट है, मीठा टेस्ट है, और या खट्टा टेस्ट है. ओके, सो टंग, टंग हेल्प अस टू टेस्ट. ईयर्स, हाउ ईयर्स हेल्प अस? ईयर्स हेल्प अस टू hear. Okay, listen something. Ear help us to listen something. जो हमारे ears हैं वो हमें सुनने में मदद करते हैं. Okay, and the whole this is face. Someone recognize us with our face. ठीक है, हमें कोई कैसे पहचानता है? हमारे face से. Okay, that she is Ananya, she is Arav. Okay, how they will come to know? With this face. ठीक है, किससे पता चलेगा हमें कि आपका नाम क्या है? आपके फेस से. ओके, सो नाउ once again repeat the only this part: head, forehead, eyes, nose, lips, teeth, tongue, ears, chin, this is chin. Cheeks, chubby cheeks, neck, this is neck. Then chest, stomach, arms help us to do something. Okay, arms help us to do something. Okay, we can do any physical work with these arms. ठीक है, हमें कोई भी अगर वर्क करना है तो without the help of these arms we cannot do that. Okay, these are the arms. This is elbow. This pointed part is elbow. What is this? Elbow. Hands, what is this? Hands. Fingers, these are the fingers, and this is called the thumb. These two are thumbs. There are 5 fingers in each hand. 5 fingers in each hand. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 fingers in each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fingers in each hand. 5 in other hand. So all there are 10 fingers in both hands. Both hands we have 10 fingers, and in one hand we have 5 fingers. Okay, so arm, elbow, fingers, thumb. Okay, and this part where we tie the watch, जहाँ पर हम watch पहनते हैं, this part we call wrist. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Wrist. This part is called wrist, right? Then back. This is back. Leg, knees, this is knee. This round thing in this leg is knee. Okay, then feet, and these are toes. Okay, fingers of feet called toes, right? So now students, you come to know what are the body parts: head, forehead, eyes, eyebrow. These hair on the eyes is called eyebrow. Eyes, okay, nose, lips, teeth, tongue, chin, cheeks, ears, neck, chest, stomach, elbow, elbow. Wrist, wrist. What is this? Wrist. Hands, hands. Fingers, fingers. Leg, leg. Knee, knee. Feet, toes, toes. And this part here, the bone is here, one bone, it's called ankle. Okay, it's called ankle, right? So these are the some body parts and this is our back. और ये क्या है हमारी back. Okay, so these are the body parts. You will learn and write these body parts in your notebook. Okay, so now it's time to show you your worksheet. Okay, so students, and as you know that in Zoom class I give you a homework that you will learn a poem related to your body parts. आपको एक body part से related जो है वो poem learn करनी है. On next Zoom class I will. So students, now in these body parts there are 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs means the organs that help us to feel something, taste something. Okay, so first is eyes. Eyes help us to, yes, tell me, eyes help us to, yes, you are right, see. Eyes help us to see, मतलब eyes हमारी देखने में help करती हैं. Then second sense organ is nose. This body part is known as sense organs also. That the body parts that I am explaining now, these are also known as sense organs. Okay, so nose, nose help us to breathe, nose help us to breathe. Then tongue, tongue. Can you tell me how tongue help us to? Yes, tongue help us to taste. Okay, tongue tells us either a thing or either the food that we are eating, that is sweet, sour or bitter. Okay, so there are 3 tastes: sweet, sour and bitter. Sweet means मीठा, sour means खट्टा, bitter means कड़वा. Okay, so students, मतलब जो ये टंग है, इससे जब हम कुछ खाते हैं, when we eat something, this tongue tell us that the thing is sweet, sour or bitter. ठीक है, कि जो हम खा रहे हैं वो खट्टा है, मीठा है या कड़वा है. Okay, so this is our third sense organ. So next is 4 is ears. Ears help us to, why this, how these ears help us, how this body part help us to, this help us to, yes, hear or to listen something. The ears help us to listen something. When someone asks something, someone tells us something, so how we can hear that? We can listen that with these ears, with the help of these ears. And 5th sense organs of our body part is this skin. This skin. If someone pinch on our skin, अगर कोई हमारी स्किन में इस तरह से पिंच करेगा, चूंटी काटेगा, तो how you feel? You feel pain or not? Yes, you feel pain. Yes, आपको दर्द होगा ना? If someone pinch you here, yes. So when you feel, it means this skin is our sense organ. ठीक है, अगर हमें वो फील हो रहा है स्किन में, तो इट मीन्स दिस स्किन इज आवर सेंस ऑर्गन. ओके, जो ये स्किन है हमारी वो सेंस ऑर्गन है. ओके, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, these body parts, you learn these body parts, and with these body parts I tell you that there are 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. Name them: eyes, nose, फिर tongue. Number 3 is tongue. Number 4 is ears, and number 5 is skin. Okay, so these 5 body parts are also known as sense organs. Okay, so ये जो 5 body parts थे, ये हमारे sense organs भी होते हैं. Okay, now this is the time to show you your worksheet, what you will do in your worksheet. Okay, so let's see what is there in your worksheet. So students, this is your worksheet. Okay, in this worksheet your topic is body basics. Okay, so first question is take the correct answer. Here I am giving some questions, and in each question there are three options. Okay, you have to select the correct option. Okay, so first is we have so students, in this the first question is we have dash hands. How many hands? I tell you right now, अभी मैंने आपको बताया how many hands we have? We have 2 hands. So the correct answer is 2. Okay. So next is we walk with our dash. How we walk? We walk with the help of our feet, leg or hands. Yes, tell me. Yes, this is feet. Okay, this is feet. So next is number 3 is total number of fingers in one hand is TOTAL, total, NUM, num, BER, bar, number, OF, of, FI, fee, NE, girls, ERS, us, fingers, IN, in, ONE, one, HAND, hand, is. How many fingers in one hand? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers in one hand. So the correct answer is 5. You can write here 5 also like this. Okay. Here feet, FEET, feet. Here 2. Okay. So next question 4 is we can see anything with is. With is body part. With this body part. Okay. We can see anything with is body part. With this body part. This is this. With this body part. How can we see? Yes, we can see through eyes. Very good. So the correct answer is eyes. So next student, next is the rearrange the letters to find the name of body parts. Okay, here are some letters that are in jumbled form. ठीक है, आगे पीछे लिखे गए हैं. You have to rewrite them to make a body part. Okay, so first is REA. So EAR, ear. EAR, ear. Next is AHND. AHND, it's hand. HAN. Students, this type of questions you can do when you learn the spellings of body parts. ठीक है, इस तरह के questions आप तभी कर सकते हैं जब आपको body parts के spellings learn होंगे. Then OENS. OENS, it's nose. NOES. NOES, nose. Students, NOSE, nose. Okay, so next is GEL. It's LEG, leg. LEG, leg. Then YEES, it's eyes. EYES. Then CNEK. CNEK, it's NECK, neck. Okay students, so students, this is your second question of this worksheet. Now your third question I will show you in the screen. Okay, so let's see. Students, third question in your worksheet is look at the picture and write the parts of the body. Here you can see a body of a boy and you have to label these body parts. So first is head, then eyes, then then it's ears, mouth, arms, hand, leg and feet. Here are some clues in the box. ठीक है, यहाँ पर नीचे आपको क्लू भी दिए गए हैं बॉक्स में. So you can easily find which body part you have to write here. Okay, so students, this is all about your GK worksheet, and I hope you will learn the poem related to your body parts. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.